Hey guys, welcome back to the e-commerce bartender here. Today we're going to be going over a quality audit company called Qima. You're going to be using this when your manufacturing gets done from your supplier and you kind of want to do a pre-shipment check to make sure everything's a go. But before I get into that, I do want to apologize for the previous two videos just because of the fact my microphone was messed up. So I got a new one, so my quality should be a little bit better on that. So once again, I apologize. So let's get right into it. So as you can see right here, I have the Qima page pulled up. And I'm going to take you to an inspection report. And this inspection report is a sample. I'm going to show you guys where you guys can find that on the Qima website real quick. So you're going to go to Our Solutions, On-Site Inspections. And then I just emailed and downloaded this report to myself. It's pretty easy to do, so you guys can look on the same thing I'm looking on if you guys want to pause the video, just so we can go over a couple things. Before we get started, I do want to mention one thing real quick. When you do sign up for Qima, they are going to call you and you need to pick up because they want to ask you a couple questions just to make sure you guys aren't like one of their competitors or one of those type of situations. So they do call you just to make sure you're an actual seller and you're actually going to use their product, and they just want to make sure everything's good to go as well on their end. So let's just start talking about why we need to do a pre-shipment check or audit with Qima. So once your supplier gets done, manufacturing the goods, you want to make sure, the packaging is right, and like, let's say this is taped up properly for our product so these don't fall out. You also want to make sure the barcode's good, and make sure your logo's on there if you got that, or make sure stuff's not like smearing off, or if the product's scraped, you want to make sure your supplier is doing a good job and meeting your demands. So let's go ahead and look at that inspection report real quick. Before I get started, I do want to mention a couple things. First off, it's going to be around $450 a day to do an audit like this, and also if you go over a day, it's going to be a little bit more, so keep that in mind. And one more thing is this this Qima company also comes with an app, so you guys can work through the system and process just through your phone as well. And the third thing I want to mention is that you guys can do an audit at any time during the manufacturing process. So let's say if your product needs something inserted halfway through the process, you can get with the Qima employees and they can get with the factory and they can run an audit halfway through as well. So let's go over this report real quick. I'm not going to go crazy in depth. It's 60 pages long, so as you can see, we're not going to get through everything. But this is a fail, and I think if you scroll down here, it tells you why they failed. Looks like artworks and label is why they failed. And basically, this is just going through like all your boxes and a percentage of your products just to see if quality's good. They're going to be weighing the product, they're going to be weighing the boxes, they're going to give you the box dimensions. So this is a lot of value. This is going to help you make sure your shipment's going to be absolutely correct when you ship it into Amazon, that you're not given a 50-pound box that's going to be too heavy. Like obviously right here, the new bone china porcelain, so that's going to have china on it. You want to make sure your product has that on it, or at least the label, the barcode label, the UPC label. So let's go down here. I feel like this is towards the bottom. They have what was wrong with them. So you want to make sure the packaging is good. Where was the packaging? Here we go. You want to make sure the packaging is good as well, that all these things aren't going to break. All right, let's come down here. It looks like they're weighing stuff. Let's go right to the bottom. Here we go. So as you can see here, go up a little bit more. As you guys can see here, there's a little scuff there, and they're going to get their little ruler thing out just so you can see how big it is. And I've seen this on one of mine where my supplier actually failed, and I accepted it because it wasn't that bad, but I ended up getting a little bit money back because they were nice to me, because they felt so bad because they failed their audit. So it can work out too in your favor. But that's probably all I'm going to go over. You guys can look at this report. I showed you where it's at. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the content. Leave a comment below if you need me to do a format better for my videos. I'm always going to respond to y'all. And also, guys, feel free to hit me up on one of my calls. It's $1 for 45 minutes. You guys have nothing to lose. I have promo codes for you guys below. I also have my Google Sheet profitability calculator below as well. So guys, just look at these tools, download them, do whatever you guys need to do to get the job done. You guys are doing a great job, and you guys have a great day, and take care, and be ready for another video tomorrow.